Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your Android is up to date and you have at least 500 MB free. Next, go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, and force Stop the app. This halts faulty processes. Once stopped, clear cache first, then clear data to remove corrupted local files. After you clear data, restart the phone to reload system services and app components. Doing these steps now often resolves transient crashes quickly and sets you up for deeper fixes if needed. After reboot, you should update core components. Open Play Store settings and ensure Google Play services and the store itself are on the latest versions. Outdated frameworks cause crashes. If updates fail, remove your Google account in Settings, reboot, then re-add the account so authentication tokens refresh and sync resumes. Also inspect any battery saver, optimizer, or security apps that may block Play Store background tasks. Disable them temporarily to see if stability returns. These actions address. If problems persist, you move to Advanced Remedies. You can uninstall Play Store updates via Settings to revert to a stable build, then update again. Next, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app causes the crash. If Play Store runs fine there, uninstall recent apps. If neither works, back up your data, then perform a factory reset as the final step to remove deep software corruption. If the issue remains after reset, contact the device maker. Hardware faults or bespoke ROMs can be the underlying cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.